In the last video, we identified themes and gaps for the literature. Now we're moving on to step 3 of writing a good literature review, outlining your literature review structure. Hi, I'm Jessica from Scribbr. Now that you've worked out the connections and relationships between the sources, we can structure the literature review's outline. Let's recap our topic: social media's impact on the younger generation's body image. Here are 4 common approaches to structure the literature review: chronological, thematic, method, theory. First is the chronological approach, so from older to more recent publications. Avoid simply listing and summarizing sources in order. Try to analyze patterns, turning points, and debates that have shaped the direction of the field over time. Give your own interpretation of how and why certain developments occurred. For example, you might start by discussing an older study from 2008 about body image and media. Then you'd explain how, over time, mass media like magazines turned to social media, which also emphasizes visual content. For the second approach, you organize your literature review around key themes. In our case, we could start by discussing research on the negative effects of social media. This leads us into the theme of mental health issues among Gen Z. Then, we can narrow in on the more specific theme of body image issues among Gen Z. On to the third approach. If your sources use a variety of research methods, you can compare the results and conclusions of these different approaches. For example, you could start by discussing studies that use surveys and then look at experimental studies, comparing the results of these different approaches. With approach number 4, you organize your structure based on various theories, models, or definitions of key concepts. For example, you could start by discussing how different scholars have defined the concept of body image, then discuss theories that try to explain the relationship between body image and self-perception. Hang on, we're almost ready to write. Give your fingers a little shake because we're about to work them hard. Click this video here.